It's an honor and privilege to welcome you to my channel. We are in section Virtue, chapter 2, The Excellence of Rain, couplet 14. The poet states that when the rains deceive, the plough is not used by the farmer. Though this couplet seems straightforward, the poet has loaded a lot of knowledge into this couplet. We should understand that when the climate changes and the cyclones get unpredictable, the rain fails where it is required. Farmers would be unable to farm their crops, and so the tools of farming will become worthless. Here, the farmers and the tools are a representation of the wider community as well. Storms and cyclones become unpredictable due to climate changes. But these climate changes are man-made. We are destroying nature for our pleasure and greed. We should be learning from our forefathers who knew clearly how to maintain the gifts of nature. There were festivals created around these important periods of rainfall in a year to keep track and maintain the process of preserving fresh water. There are mentions of 47 different types of freshwater handling structures, including lakes, ponds, etc., commonly mentioned in ancient Tamil literature, which shows the knowledge and importance given to the rainwater harvesting. In ancient times, the farmer and farming were kept on the top strata of society, as they were the people who were able to produce food for the rest of the community. And when they get affected, the entire society gets affected. When the poet talks about the tools of farming becoming idle, he implies that all walks of life are affected within the society, and people losing their livelihoods, sacrificing a comfortable life because of the failing rains, and also because of not properly managing the rainwater harvesting process. The relevance of Thirukkural as of today is quite astonishing, and it's clear that we should revive and benefit from ancient wisdom.